A work order is a digital or paper document that describes approved maintenance work. Depending on the type of business, work requests can be submitted to maintenance by any one of their many types of customers. Work orders are used to track completion of work and document usage of resources. The collection of this data enables maintenance to generate clear metrics that can be used for performance monitoring, trend analysis, and continuous improvement. The work order also contains key information on how the job will be completed: description of the task, name of requesting department or individual, estimated completion date, name of in-house person or third-party facility to complete task, location of area or facility, and what parts, tools, documentation are needed to complete end goal. There are different types of work orders: inspection, preventative maintenance, emergency, electrical, safety, and special projects, just to name a few. A proper workflow is needed in order to effectively manage maintenance tasks. The work request is submitted. The work request is reviewed. If approved, a work order is created, which will then be completed and closed. If not approved, the requester is notified. The use of a CMMS like UpKeep also enables maintenance to schedule and document recurring work, like monthly routine preventative maintenance activities, and automatically generate and monitor work order data. Here is an example of the details on the work order via UpKeep CMMS. Via UpKeep CMMS, maintenance is also able to add additional form fields, attach additional files, and require technician signatures. Simplify your maintenance today. Start for free. Upgrade anytime. UpKeep.